Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to get email notifications on any changes made in Google Sheet. This feature can be specifically used if you are working collaboratively with others on a sheet or if you want to keep track of changes made to a sheet that you are not actively monitoring. In step 1, open Google Sheets and choose a sheet to monitor. First, open Google Sheets and select the sheet you want to monitor. Click on the Tools menu and select Notification Rules. In step 2, you can set up the notification rules. Uh, from here, you can edit the comments notification. You can leave it turned on for all comments or for comments for you, or turn it off by selecting none. In next step, you can set up the notification rules by selecting create new rule. You can choose to be notified when any changes are made or a user submits a form. In step 3, you can choose how to receive notifications. You can also choose to be notified with a daily digest through email by choosing the option email daily digest, or get notified right away by choosing email right away. In step 4, you can save the notification rules. You can click on save to save the notification rules. From now on, whenever the sheet is edited, you will receive an email notification with the details of the changes made. And there you have it. That's how you can get email notifications on any changes made in a Google Sheet. This feature can be incredibly useful for keeping track of changes in real time and ensuring that you stay up to date with any updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.